Good day. I'm going to take this opportunity today to visually let you know my testimonial about Flawless SMP, most specifically the mentorship and guidance I've received from Donna. So in 2021, I flew from Winnipeg when I was in Winnipeg for the summer. After I learned from Scott Ramos, famous, like the best barber in the world, as he showed me the results of SMP on his lineup, on his edge up. And I didn't even know what SMP was until he had showed me. And it clicked. I was like, boom, the light bulb went off. And I was like, that is exactly what I have to do to elevate my game, to change the way I conduct myself, to exponentially grow my business and earn more money, and change the lives of others in my community and in Canada, and maybe one day across the world. So, you know, this is life-changing results. SMP for men and women is incredible. Whether you have scars, alopecia, male or female pattern baldness, whatever the case is, there's a solution for it. And I saw Donna's work, and I knew that she was someone I needed to learn from. I've since then got a little bit of mentorship from other individuals, but I must say that Donna was the best. Her online course, which I didn't have and I have access to now, is incredible. If you're looking to expedite the process of learning this new skill set in art, I would recommend using her program. Her training and certification methods are incredible, and she's learned from the best Taylor Perry in the world. I look forward to meeting him, and this is just a life-changing experience for me. And you know, it comes with its challenges, as anything does. But Donna's been there through and through to help me through mentorship, guidance, helping me with selections of ink, methods, needle sizes, and just whatever I needed. She's been there through her Facebook group, direct messages, text message, WhatsApp. She's always there for me. I have nothing but positive things to say about Donna. She's incredible. Look at her work. There's nothing better. If you're considering this, don't think too hard on it. Just act. There's never a right time to do whatever it is you think you need to do. You just got to take action. I took action, and with that, I couldn't be happier. Thank you, Donna. You're the best.
Had a blast. Appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's go! That's all I got.